Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. This is my 5th gen 4Runner. And while I love this car, one of the things I hate the most about it is the interior trim. You can see here in the trim, and I've upgraded some stuff, but there's no conformity. You've got shiny bits of chrome here, brushed aluminum here, carbon fiber here, more shiny over there, this matte. Anyway, so one of the things we're gonna fix today is we're gonna replace this ring and this start button so that it conforms more with this interior. And for this install, I've elected to use the AJT solutions. I wasn't able to find a quick short video on YouTube on how to do this install, so I figured, hey, why not make a video? I have no affiliation with AJT, but I've used a few of their things and really like their products. This solution requires 2 parts. They do come separately. You can buy the push button, and I believe that comes in 4 colors, and then the ring, which comes in several different colors. I've elected for a red start button and a black surrounding ring. Now you probably could do this install without removing this panel, but I think just in terms of ease and not scratching the hell out of everything, this is the way to go. Okay, so the first thing we're gonna do is remove this panel here that contains the start button. You could, as I was saying, try to pry this out with a screwdriver, but my fear would be that you would scratch this plastic. So instead, if you just come down here, there's a seam, and you get under that, there's 2 pops. One there, one there, and then this whole panel comes out. And then you can just come in here and disconnect the starter switch from the wires. And with this in hand, we'll go back in the house. On the back side of this panel and the switch, there's a push down tab here, push down tab there. Just squeeze those together, push the switch out. Set this aside. First thing you're gonna wanna do is using a small screwdriver is to remove the chrome ring here. So I'm just gonna do that by getting underneath it here, lifting up. Simple as that. Now, if you're just replacing this chrome bit, you can stop there and install your outer ring, but I'm changing out the stop button as well. And before we take this apart, your push button can go in any direction. So to make sure this doesn't end up upside down, you can see we've got this 12 o'clock position here. If you turn to the right, the writing is right side up. So that's how we're going to orientate this to get it in there. Get the stop button out. We're gonna do the same thing we did before. I'm gonna use 2 screwdrivers. So I'm gonna start at 1. All right, so I had to go off screen. That was a little bit harder than I thought, but the button does pop out. I had to use 2 screwdrivers. Okay, and then again, orientating it so that this is on the side, and that's our 12 o'clock position. Position this like that. Line it up, push it in, there we go. And then the ring has these tabs, and those go in to the corresponding tabs here. And they've engineered this ring so it's easy to find your set point. So you can see here, zoom in, you've got this side that's got the little notch at this little thing. That only fits here. So, okay, there's that. And this just pushes right back in. Test it. Seems good. And the reinstall is pretty easy. So you just plug the switch back in. And then you come back in here. Press the top in first, and the bottom. Then we'll give it a start just to make sure it all works. Good to go. All right, thanks for watching. Quick video, quick install, easy to do. I think improves the interior look of that 5th gen 4Runner quite a bit. If you want to see other videos where I did some improvements to the 4Runner, you can click here. Otherwise, I'll see you next time.